In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Slack on all devices. This is especially helpful if you've used Slack on a shared computer, a phone you no longer have, or multiple browsers, and you want to make sure everything else is signed out for security. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Slack and open the official Slack website. If you are prompted to sign in, enter your workspace details as you normally would. Using the web version keeps the process consistent, even if your desktop app looks a little different. Once Slack loads, look toward the lower left corner of the interface. Click your profile. This might appear as your profile photo or your name. From the menu that appears, choose Profile. Your profile will open in a panel on the right side of the screen, giving you quick access to personal and account-related options. In that right-hand panel, look for the three dots icon, often labeled More Actions. Click it to reveal additional options, then select Account Settings. This will open your account settings in a new browser tab. Give it a moment to load. On the Account Settings page, locate the section labeled Sign Out All Other Sessions. This control is designed to remove your login from every device and browser where you're currently signed in, except the one you're using right now. When you're ready, click Sign Out All Other Sessions. Slack will ask you to confirm this action for security. You'll be prompted to enter your password. Type your password carefully, then confirm by clicking Sign Out All Other Sessions again. After a quick check, Slack will complete the process and sign you out everywhere else. If you're doing this because you noticed unfamiliar activity, consider changing your password afterward to keep your account extra secure. A couple of quick tips. If you don't immediately see the profile option in the lower left, maximize your window or reduce your zoom level so the sidebar is fully visible. If your organization uses single sign-on, the account settings page will still appear in the browser and the sign-out control works the same way. And if you use multiple workspaces, repeat this process for each workspace where you want to sign out of other sessions. That's it. You've successfully signed out of Slack on all other devices. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.